a serious case. And so I got to protect society, unfortunately, because you're not choosing to. About to sentence you to prison, and how you keep talking over me is about to start adding years onto that. Stop talking. It's just going to get worse. Do you understand? Yep, I think I would.
On that call, Ms. Shakita Cole.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Ms. Cole. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be record will so reflect?
And Ms. Cole, as with every probationer, when they are placed on the court's probation, are they given the rules and restrictions placed upon them and what they are supposed to do to follow the court orders?
Yes.
And each one of those in detail is gone over with them so that they understand everything that they're required to do. Right?
Yes.
Was Ms. Atkins so advised?
Yes.
At her intake?
She was advised at her intake and at a TTM at the Milton Center in person.
Okay, and describe for the court what a TTM is.
A treatment team meeting.
Okay, so in your opinion, Ms. Cole, as her probation officer, was Ms. Atkins fully apprised and aware of what she was required to do on probation?
Yes.
And were in fact the majority of those things intended to help her?
Yes. The main thing is her mental health. She refuses to address that. We've made appointments for her with Spinal Tap and she didn't attend the appointments. She's 100% when she was out unmedicated. So that kind of interfered with her completing her services. And she maintained contact with the victim in the case. So,
Ms. Cole?
Just briefly, during your supervision of Ms. Atkins, were you able to supervise her at points when she was on her medication and not on her medication?
the entire time she has not been on her medication.
So she's been on medication this entire time?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
And mental health help. So, Ms. Atkins, the problem is you're being given all the opportunities.
Yeah, but like I said, I don't know if I told you, I had an appointment in Port Arthur because I cannot get into Bowman. They're not taking new patients.
So you had an appointment that Ms. Cole set for you, at least one, how many?
Yeah, but it's not for medicine. It's for psycho. I'm not a psycho. I don't have those problems. I mean, some people do that. I don't know.
Well, you obviously, we don't know what you need because you won't even go do the evaluation. That it sounds like you haven't been on medication that would be, what?
Evaluation where?
At Spinal Tap.
That's what I'm telling you. That's not, I don't have that. I'm not a psychopath. That is for.
It's a psychopath. Nobody's saying you're a psychopath. But you have.
It's called PASS program. I'm not a psychopath. That's what I'm saying.
That's not what it's called, and that's not the reason it's called that, okay? If you had gone to your appointment and talked to them, then you would know what that was for, and you would know that it was meant to help you so that you could get on medication, stabilize, and not have the issues that you've been having. I'm going to find that you previously entered your, okay, well, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Ms. Cole would never say go do something and not tell you where to go or help you get there.
No, she says she does not have a list of the community service.
I'm not worried about your community service. I'm worried about your mental health and the fact that you're not doing what you need to, and you're still contacting the victim, and it's a serious case. And so I got to protect society, unfortunately, because you're not choosing to. About to sentence you to prison, and how you keep talking over me is about to start adding years onto that. Stop talking. It's just going to get worse. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going to find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, I'm finding you guilty of injury to an elderly individual. Sentence you to a term of 5 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody.
I have a doctor's appointment and everything. That's what I'm
I've got 5 more years that I could add on to that.
Yeah.
I can give you up to 10.
Have them.
You need to stop talking so I can finish what I need to do, okay?
I'm telling you, I'm not guilty. That's what I'm telling you. I did not have a choice. I have doctor. I have went to the hospital and everything.
I'm handing you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition because of the judgment entered against.
I don't have a gun.
I'm not. Just listen to what I'm saying. If you'll listen for a minute, you'll understand. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition.
I don't have a gun, man.
Good, then you don't.
I'm the wrong person. I'm Devin Atkins. I don't have a gun.
I'm required to read that to everyone.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a gun.